Starship is done. We're gonna remove it off the plate, see what is happening here. We're gonna see these supports. They are pretty bad. I don't know if they worked well or not. This is the fins of the booster, so we're gonna try to install them in the booster. This is the Raptor cover, so we're gonna see how that come out and how is it gonna look like on the booster. And this is the second part of the Starship that I've printed, because I've already printed the top cone and the flaps. So I've got 2 or 3 parts left now, and we'll start assembling it into the tower. I wish I could have the launch mount, so I could put it on the launch mount, but this project was just downloaded from one of the websites, and yeah, so there was no launch mount. All it was, there was only sort of like a little pedestal, which I think you've seen, or maybe you haven't seen in the one of my last videos, but I'm gonna get it now anyway. So this is the little pedestal with the little Starship here. This is just the raft. I just didn't remove that yet, but that's how it looks like at the moment. That's the top part of the booster. That's where the fins gonna go. That's where we're gonna try to put these little fins in there. That's the bottom part of the booster. Came out pretty good actually. Okay, but you've seen this, or maybe you didn't in the last video. And that's the top cone. So that basically gonna be on here somehow, because there is another part that will fit in there that is made out of 2 parts as well, and that side is where the heat protection would be. Okay, anyway, so let's start with that one. See what we've got here. This is the Starship Raptors. So let's remove that. Let's scrape it a little bit with the knife and see what we've got here. Alright, oh, there is a little bit imperfections there, and also there. Okay, yeah, you can see that. Now there is all that little things in there. Okay, but in general I think that looks pretty good. So yeah, that's what we've got. So let's put it here. let's maybe do the Starship first. So there we are. That's the Starship booster Raptor cover. So let's remove that. Okay, that's what it is. There is that space for the little junction box. I didn't print these junction boxes yet, but they're gonna be coming soon, maybe even today. So basically, that should be on there. To be honest, I'm not really sure. But if it would be like that. Like that. Then we've got that. Oh. There is that little junction box goes in here and in here. Maybe that need a little bit more cleaning, but I gonna glue it all up anyway, so there we are. That's how it looks like. If you think about it, how big is that in real life? It's just crazy. I don't know if you're following the SpaceX progress, but it is pretty cool. Okay, so that's what we've got. So that one. Then there is a Starship. That's pretty bad. I damaged it. The junction box section is still okay. In general, I think it's quite good. That's where the flaps are gonna go. Flaps, sorry. So let's clean that a bit. This is actually quite smooth in here. I don't know if you can see on camera, but 1 second. Oh, there. It's very smooth. I like that. There's a little bit of imperfections there, but I'm just gonna scrape it all off, and then another part will fit. And oh, again, I wasn't sure about the supports in here. So let's get the flaps. Okay, I didn't even knew how is it going. That's because I was just printing it like crazy, and I haven't even checked the diagram, the PDF diagram that was included. I know why is that coming out, because I think that's supposed to be here or is not printed right. That's how it is. Yes, so that would be here, but I think that will still come out, keep coming out. Okay, yes, so this is gonna be there. This is gonna be there. So that's the Starship only. That is pretty crazy, that come out, but that's no problem because all that have to be glued in anyway. So that's the Starship only. Wow, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, if you think about it, how big the Starship actually is in reality, it's pretty crazy, because if you think about it, I think that scale is 1 to 200 or something like that, but whatever the scale is, if you think about it, the booster is that long, 340 mil or 320 mil, so it looks long but quite thin, but in reality it's 9 meter in diameter. So if you think about it, that this is, I think, 70 or 72 meter long, is just insane how big that has to be in reality. But anyway, let's just go through again what we've got so far. So this is the Starship, first part of the body. That's the flaps that are gonna go in here on the bottom of the Starship, the big ones. So that's done as well. So this gonna be like that. Then this is gonna be the Raptors in the Starship, and then you're gonna have another two parts there and then there. So as you can see, it's gonna be quite big. So yeah, that's what we've got so far. Let's see if the flaps will fit into the booster. Let's remove that. Let's check it out. I'm showing it to you like that because I really want you to see every single step of that, so you can see all the mistakes, imperfections, what I've done right and what I've done wrong. Most likely there isn't gonna be too many things that I'm gonna do right, but at least we're gonna learn something. So anyway, that's supposed to fit in here. Let's see if it's gonna fit. What the heck? There we are, number one. That fits pretty well actually. Number two. Number two is in. There we are. It's just, I'm sorry I'm keep saying that, but you know, printing this model, it's just making me realize the scale of the real Starship, and this is actually, as I said, I think it's just insane. I wish to see it in real. Number three. Whoa, that is not going too well. Okay, I think that's probably because this is the one that I've damaged last time, so yeah, unfortunately. Or maybe some of the faces on that fin are not too good, but anyway, let's, but that's supposed to be like that, yeah, or maybe like that. Oh, there we are. I think it's gonna fall out. Number four. Number four. That should go, I think, like that. Oh, there we are. And that part in reality would be about, what, 30, just over 30 meter high. I think one of the section, each section, I think is 1.8 meters. So if you count 1, 17, 18 times 1 point. Wow, so that would be only this part. That's gonna be there. That's gonna be there. Like that. And then, oh, one of the flaps came out already. And then that's gonna be here. then that's gonna be there. So yeah, that's what we've got at the moment, all the parts. I'm gonna definitely make a video when I'm gonna be assembling it. So that one there, that's the stand. That's where we are at the moment. So I would presume that gonna be here somehow. And there is that two little flaps. That goes in here, well, there actually, there. And then another one goes there. That fits pretty well as well, actually. Oops, that way. So, 1 second. Well, it did fit pretty well before. Oh, there we are. You just have to click it in. Yeah, that's what we've got. So yeah, if you wanna see what happened next, I'm gonna try to show you all the little mistakes and all the little imperfections. Like for example that one here, because I really want you to see how's everything going in real life, not like behind the camera only. Stay tuned and have a great one, and hopefully I'm gonna talk to you soon. All the best. Thanks for your time.